Welcome back to our garden channel. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to grow lush, leafy greens right in your own garden, no matter your skill level. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are packed with vitamins and minerals. Homegrown greens taste fresher and are easy on your wallet. The first step? Find the right location. Most leafy greens thrive with at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. Partial shade helps in hot climates, so try both garden beds and containers to see what works best for you. Next, let's talk soil. Greens love rich, well-draining soil. Mix in compost to add nutrients and help with moisture. Aim for a soft, crumbly texture like this. Your plant's roots will thank you. Sow seeds straight into the ground about 1/4 inch deep. If you're short on time, use healthy young seedlings. Don't forget to label your rows. Leafy greens need consistent moisture to stay lush. Water in the early morning to avoid fungal diseases. Aiming for about 1 inch per week is perfect, and mulch helps to retain moisture. Feed your greens every 3 weeks using a balanced organic fertilizer. This keeps the leaves vibrant and growing fast. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids and slugs. Pick them off if you see them, and cover your crops with light netting if there's a big problem. Healthy plants bounce back quickly. The best part? Harvest leaves from the outside so the plant keeps producing. Use the cut and come again method for a continuous supply. With these simple steps, you'll have fresh, delicious greens at your fingertips all year long. Like, subscribe, and share for more quick garden tips. Happy gardening! Check out our next video for the secrets to perfect homegrown carrots.